Hi guys, today I am refreshing my coffee table, getting it ready for fall. If you have not seen the DIY video for this coffee table, check it out in the link below. So what I'm doing is I'm taking out the stuff that have been there for a while, and I'm going to add some new stuff. So I'm cleaning my table with my sprayway, and after doing that, I added my ginger jar. I got this ginger jar from Home Goods. I also got the pumpkin from Home Goods. That ginger jar is pretty big. The cover is huge. The stems, I got the stems from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, there we go. You get a better look at it now. So yeah, I got those from Hobby Lobby. I think the color is so beautiful. It's like this plum color, between plum and burgundy-ish color, that fall type color. So that's what I'm adding there, and I think the table is turning out really nice. I had to step back and take a look at it to see if it needed anything else, and I decided to add the candles. So here I decided to just go ahead and add some more to it. So I got these really large candles from Home Goods, and they're pretty big. So I just decided, let me add some more to the table. It's looking kind of plain because the table is quite big. It's not showing as big as it really is on camera, but it is pretty big. And I think with all the white, it's not making it look too busy or anything. Maybe if it was a lot of different type of finishes, it would have, but because I'm dealing with mirrors and I'm also dealing with all this white, everything is playing off pretty beautifully. So yeah, moving on to the entry table. On this table, I don't need to do much. I'm just taking out the purple candles out, putting the white ones in, and changing the branches in my ginger jar, and you know, just adding some type of a fall type branches to it. Just something simple, keeping it simple. Again, I don't celebrate this season, but I wanted to do something for you guys, and I wanted to give my, you know, my entryway a new makeover. So here we go. So here I am stuffing the ginger jar with the paper that I got and you know, that was wrapped around my candles that I bought from Home Goods to give it some height when I put the branches in, because the branches stems were pretty short. And then I decided to add my Jo Malone candles. So that candle right there is from Jo Malone. I have two of those. One is already lit, and I just reopened that one. So yeah, that's what I'm adding there, and my table is finished. Simplicity is key for me. So guys, all I did was add some fall branches, add my white Jo Malone candles, and there you have it. My table is refreshed. Just adding those white candle bases made a big difference. Changing out my branches made a big difference, and my entry table is now refreshed. And look at my coffee table. I am so excited with this coffee table. Adding that maroon plum color branches to my ginger jar has made that look so good. I mean, I can't explain to you how beautiful it is, especially when those candles are lit. Enjoy this little collage that I prepared for you guys on the end of my video, and thank you for watching.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone. and I had control on the driver's seat. But my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned. Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing